This is a beautiful village house in Torrox Pueblo, which is a stone's throw from the beach at the Costa del Sol. So let me take a walk around this property. Here you go. So you enter into lovely brand new wooden doors into the living room, which has air conditioning, hot and cold. Then there are glazed double doors into, so this is not described as a bedroom, but it could quite easily be a bedroom up at the top. Bathroom here with hot water boiler, washing machine. Very convenient. It's on this level. And then if we go up these stairs here, this takes us to what's currently being used as an artist studio. So this actually does have external windows, so it could be turned into a bedroom. So this window here goes out onto your own little courtyard, which I'll show you from the other side of the house shortly. So we'll go back down into the living area. There's another window here as well. So this actually could be sectioned off and used as like a suite. Go back down, and there's a cupboard under the stairs for storage. Into the kitchen. Absolutely love this colour, Henny's favourite colour. There you go. Beautiful kitchen with dishwasher, oven, gas hob, and then the other side has space for a table with 4 chairs, fridge, freezer. Beautifully maintained. We'll go up the stairs here, which are marble. So these stairs are marble. This takes us up to another level, where there are 2 bedrooms and an ensuite bathroom. So this bedroom is a double bedroom, air conditioning, hot and cold, ceiling fans. Windows have got wooden shutters. And then we go across into what I would call the master bedroom. A lovely ensuite, shower, toilet with a sink. And this bedroom's very spacious. Has ceiling fan, air conditioning, hot and cold, and a storage cupboard up here as well. Then there's a door which goes into this area, which is currently used as like a storage area for tools. Beautiful seating area, and that's the window from the artist studio that I showed you from inside. And then we go up these stairs to this amazing roof terrace, which has views of the mountains and the sea. And don't forget, we're in a village house, so this is very special. So let me show you the mountain views here. If we look over here, there's a private kitchen with seating area, obviously running water, electricity. And this is the seating area with the actual mountain views. And they've put out here a lovely area to relax. This roof terrace is very spacious. And then this is Torrox here. You can see the church. These amazing sea views. If you're interested in this property and would like to arrange a viewing, please contact us. It's listed exclusively with us, BluCee Real Estate.